At all Metroplex Plumbing, we have the best equipment that can help us to locate and repair your sewer problems, like cameras. Cameras is a great tool that can help us to locate and pinpoint potential problems that you have on your system. Potential problems that can lead into an inconvenient problems like having floods. Why? Because if you got a clog, sewer water came back into your house, and that's something we don't want. So give us a call if you need any camera analysis at 214-717-9911.